Good morning, moving people. We're back to another video. A relaxed morning at the Ebro Delta. And hope you had a good start, or if you're already up for a while, hope you're doing good. I have to say up front, in real time, today is the first day of the year. So yeah, I wish you all a great one, health, and following your dreams. Don't stop. This is all about. Enjoy. So the idea for today is going to be, I thought of doing an adventurous day yesterday for today, but yeah, got up a bit before and thought, well, it's okay also to take it easy and go on an adventure tomorrow. So we're gonna be heading now to a beach nearby and getting on with the day. I have some things that I would like to do to get the year started and the day in this sense. So I'm gonna be taking you with me until there, and then for sure we're gonna be going on an adventure in the Ebro's Delta. So let's go. Good morning, people. It's a new day and we are back on the beach. So we'll be going now on an adventure to the salt lakes of the Ebro's Delta region here. And I saw on the way here, it's, as far as it seems, also a migrational point. Because there were lots of flamingos. Wow. I was driving here, there was the sun, but now it's like low-hanging clouds all around. Kind of very mystic. At least that's what I feel. Okay, let's go and have a look at this natural park and some flamingos and I guess the salt lakes. Let's see where they produce the salt. A lot of production going on here in the Delta. Another pumping station here, like the one before, the video before. If you haven't seen that, I will link it somewhere up here or down in the description. Oh, look at it. It's nice. Caught my eye, I would like to show you. Here are the birds that migrating. Look at this flamingo. All here on the plains. But actually I wanted to go with you to a small place I saw down here the road. Small house here. It looks like a traditionally made hut. Probably before people built with cement. This is the way. Okay, everything's blocked off. But basically you can see how the houses were. The huts. The people living here or coming every now and then to experience this nature. Oh, this is nice. So a short excursion in the architecture of the Ebro's Delta huts, I guess. So we have another adventure actually going on today, so we're off. My zero existing parkour skills. So the mist is coming in hard. I don't know. Did you see something? Exactly. Yeah. The visibility is like, I don't know, maybe max a kilometer, I would say. Max. Anyways, if now this bigger thing didn't come, piece of dam, you would see in the back the flamingos. They are there. They are there. Yeah, we see them also somewhere else. Let's keep on moving. I'm kind of hoping, are we going to find these salt lakes in this fog? Because I don't know if we were going to see them. Now we see. We don't see. So I have the feeling that this video will be more of a weather channel video or a weather watching video, because I am amazed of the situation that now the visibility almost, I don't know, we are like at maybe 200 meters now. As you can see around you, as I said, in clip before, you see, but you don't see. Let's see if how this will change. Maybe the sun will come out later and we'll be like, yeah, hey. Can you see the sun? So I don't know how much humidity there is here on my beard, but I feel it. I think the only thing that will save me in a while is this. It's like the labyrinth of Knossos, of the Minotaurus. If I follow this, I will reach the Salines and I will find my way back. Because you can't see anything. The camera doesn't justify it very much. Aber great situation this one, because probably in the summer it's like an oven here, a grill more. You get grill like, and with this, at least your car is. So before we hit the Salines, I thought I'd just come at this pier and about maybe 50 meters from the car parking. So I told you this episode will be the weather channel with Petrakis. Anyways, let's try our mission. Let's see if we manage. So at this moment, I took on the road and walked to find these Salines. Well, this was a long walk on this small piece of sand laying between the mainland and the Salines. I didn't see anything, but kept on moving. We managed it. Wow, what a stretch. So now is the end of the road. Authorized people only. We are not authorized now. And back there are the Salines. Here is a man running, training. Yeah, well, voila. So what we are gonna be doing now, I'm gonna be showing them to you through a nice drone montage. and enjoy. So we managed. I guess this is what they're extracting out of here. Nice salt. If you know where we can get this salt, let me know in the comments. Would be nice to to know. Okay, we managed there. So I will not bore you with the walking back situation. So we'll just go teletransporting ourselves, jump editing, cutting with me, maybe putting here. Wait a sec. I'll just transform into move to helix in an instant. We managed. It worked out. So, fellow movers, we are back. Gonna make myself a coffee and move on out of the Delta. Thanks for tuning in until the end. If you like this video, feel free to hit the thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And see you on the next one. Have fun with the driving away montage and peace out and love in.